Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are here at Amara Press Gardens. We are here to start the KenDutch farm. We are doing the demarcation today. Today is the first day. We are doing the ground breaking. I'll be taking you the process. We are grateful for the Lord. The day to kick off is here. I can see the tractor is ready. Our guy is pouring on the white chalk, and we are ready to run. First of all, you do the marking, which you have already started on one side for digging up the trenches, and you can see how the rope is. This is where we are going to build at the pig farm, a pig farm where we'll have all great breeds. Yes, this is a quarter acre, and we are good to start off. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is a blessed day. We are happy to be blessed and be alive because of the Lord. This is the first day at KenDutch Farm. We'll be starting the ground breaking. We are doing the demarcation so the tractor can come and get the trenches done. It's now when you're starting. Karibuni sana. Let's go as I take you through the process. This is day one. Yes. And here is the excavator going to start off the KenDutch Farm. KenDutch Limited Farm. Here we go. A good day to start off. And here we kick off. KenDutch Farm Limited starts. Here we go. Asitoe hiyo beacon ikae tu hapo. Once again, we are here at KenDutch Farm, KenDutch Limited. So far so good. We are done with two phases. Side one, side two. Looking all smart. I'm loving the progress. I'm loving the progress. Everything that has a good foundation ends up well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Memory, these will be included as day one in our videos and in our setup. Beautiful, beautiful. And finally, we call it a day. We have a clean way, and we have all the trenches done. Where the tractor is where the gate will be. We have also taken advantage of the tractor. If you can see here, there's a hole. Yeah, there's a hole there. That's where we'll be there. After After this trench, here there is a hole. This is where we'll have a toilet at the end of at one of the toilet and the septic tank. I let it come. I have taken the advantage of the tractor and told him to dig it up for me. So here we are, good, and also the field is cleared. You see on this side, this one is not cleared, but if you see the KenDutch Farm Limited, it's cleared. It's all clean. We have cleared the way. So as the material start coming in, it's clear and they'll be poured here at the center. Then we can start our brick wall. So far, so good. We call it a day and thanks to God for this, and glory unto God.